Do you speak English? Excuse me, do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Great. I'm looking for the train station.
Sure, I can help you.
Thank you. Is it far from here?
No, it's not very far.
How long does it take to walk there?
About 10 minutes.
That's easy. Thank you.
You're welcome.
By the way, where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Oh, nice. I'm from Thailand.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
How do you like the city?
I really like it. It's beautiful.
That's good to hear.
Your English is very clear.
Thank you.
I'm still learning English.
Your English is good too.
Sometimes I don't understand everything.
That's okay.
Could you speak a little slowly?
Of course. I can speak slowly.
Thank you. That helps a lot.
No problem.
Do you use English every day?
Yes, I use it at work.
What do you do?
I work at a hotel.
That sounds interesting.
It is. I meet people from many countries.
Do many guests speak English?
Yes, most of them do.
I want to speak English more confidently.
The best way is to practice every day.
I agree.
You can practice with friends.
Or I can practice with you.
Sure, I'd be happy to help.
That's very kind of you.
Let's start with a simple question.
Okay, go ahead.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like listening to music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music. How about you?
I like jazz and soft rock.
Nice. We have different tastes.
Yes, but we can still be friends.
Absolutely.
Oh, there's the train station.
I see it now. Thank you for your help.
You're very welcome.
It was nice talking with you.
Nice talking with you too. Have a great day.